Welcome to Fixit Dubai, your ultimate destination for stylish, luxurious, and on-trend home interiors. If you're dreaming of the perfect bedroom that blends elegance with functionality, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the 15 latest modern bedroom trends of 2025, backed by a visual feast of 200 stunning luxury bedroom designs that are defining the future of home interiors. Whether you're planning a complete makeover or just looking for inspiration, we've got ideas that suit every style, from minimalist sophistication to bold luxury. So sit back, relax, and let your dream bedroom unfold. Modern Japandi Calm. 2025 is embracing serenity, and there's no better example than the Japandi style. This hybrid of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth focuses on natural textures, calming palettes, and decluttered spaces. Think neutral tones, soft lighting, low platform beds, and built-in wooden shelves. It's the go-to trend for anyone seeking peace, balance, and timeless simplicity. Textured walls and statement panels. Goodbye boring walls. Hello, architectural drama. From velvet wall upholstery to geometric wood panels and marble slab backdrops, textured walls are redefining bedroom luxury in 2025. These statement walls don't just elevate your bed area, they become the bedroom's focal point, radiating class and depth. Bold color accents. Soft neutrals will always have their place, but 2025 is bringing bold colors into modern bedrooms in curated, confident doses. Think navy blue headboards, deep emerald velvet cushions, and burnt orange accent chairs. The key is balance, using one bold hue to create contrast without overwhelming the room. Floating beds and smart illumination. Floating beds are taking center stage in luxury bedrooms. With hidden bases and LED strip lighting underneath, these beds appear to levitate, giving the entire room a futuristic and airy vibe. Pair them with dimmable smart lights embedded in ceilings and under furniture to create a dreamy nighttime ambience. Boutique hotel vibes. Turn your bedroom into a personal retreat with a design inspired by luxury hotels. Layered lighting, padded headboards, velvet throws, and subtle gold accents bring in that five-star feel. Add a small seating area with a designer armchair or a mini lounge by the window to complete the look. Integrated technology. Modern bedrooms in 2025 are smarter than ever. From voice-activated lighting and curtain control to charging stations built into nightstands and smart mirrors with built-in displays, tech is seamlessly blending with luxury. It's not just about looking modern, it's about living smart and stylishly. Ceiling art and statement chandeliers. Gone are the days of ignoring the ceiling. 2025 welcomes dramatic chandeliers, custom painted ceilings, and LED tray ceilings with color-shifting lights. Whether you go for a sculptural pendant light or a classic crystal design, your ceiling deserves some design love too. Multifunctional furniture. With compact living on the rise, furniture that serves more than one purpose is trending. Think beds with hidden storage, nightstands that double as workstations, or benches with built-in shelves. These clever designs don't just save space, they add character to your bedroom. Earthy and organic tones. Nature-inspired tones like clay, olive green, sand, and warm taupe are making bedrooms feel grounded and connected. Pair these hues with organic materials like rattan lamps, linen bedding, and reclaimed wood to create a natural, calming escape that feels effortlessly elegant. Curved silhouettes. Soft curves are dominating bedroom furniture and decor. From rounded bed frames and arched mirrors to curvy side tables, these smooth shapes bring a touch of softness and femininity to modern spaces. It's all about balance. Curves add flow and comfort to otherwise clean-lined interiors. Luxury walk-in closets. Closets are no longer hidden. In 2025, luxury walk-ins are open, beautifully lit, and designed to be part of the bedroom. Glass doors, backlit shelving, and boutique-style displays for shoes and bags turn your storage into a showpiece and a dream for every fashion lover. Natural light emphasis. Maximizing natural light is essential in modern bedroom design. Floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, and light-filtering sheer curtains help blur the line between indoors and outdoors. This trend enhances mood, sleep quality, and of course, your Instagram-worthy morning shots. Minimalism with soul. Minimal doesn't mean cold. The new wave of minimalism in 2025 adds warmth through textures, soft palettes, and personal touches. It's about owning less, but choosing better. Curating spaces with meaningful pieces and materials that make your bedroom feel lived in, not staged. Personalized art and decor. Bedrooms are becoming more personal, more curated. Homeowners are investing in custom artwork, travel souvenirs, vintage finds, and sculptural pieces that reflect their story. The result? Spaces that are not only luxurious but emotionally resonant. Sustainable and conscious design. Lastly, 2025 is deeply influenced by sustainability